Hey guys, this is going to be a DIY tie-dye unisex t-shirt video, and I will be doing two different types of styles. This one here is the crinkled style, and this one will be the spiral style. And you will need a few things, obviously. So you're going to need some plain t-shirts, or whatever t-shirt you want with tie-dye, whatever tie-dye coloring you want, some rubber bands, and a plastic bag, and some tape if you're going to work on the floor so you wouldn't stain the floor or a table, wherever you're going to work at. I actually ended up moving from my floor to my sink and to the washer because I was standing and it was more comfortable for my back. So you'll see me kind of jumping from working on the floor and working on like the top of a washer or something like that. That's what the tape is for, so you can tape down whatever you're going to use to prevent from you to stain whatever you're working on. Oh, and I found all of my tie-dye coloring at Walmart. And there goes my dog. One of my dogs. Alright, so now you just want to wet your t-shirt or whatever you're going to tie-dye. I use just a pan, a pot, and put some cold water in there. And then you want to wring it out just to keep it damped. But obviously you want to get out all the water. So now I'm gonna fold my t-shirt, and for the crinkled style you just want to basically scrunch it up, and I start from all four corners of the t-shirt and work my way into the middle, and basically that would be me leaving me with 4 sections, and each section I do tie it or secure it with a rubber band. And here I'm just putting more rubber bands so that the 4 sections are now basically in one. I'm just kind of fixing little areas that I didn't really like the way it ended up looking. And then it ends up looking kind of like a funnel cake. So then the way I prepare my color, each bottle comes with like the coloring, which is a powder, and I start off with a little bit of powder to kind of start and see what the coloring was gonna look like, and I use a napkin to try it. So then I just put some water in it, of course, fill up the bottle, and then I will try it out in the napkin like I was saying. And if it's not at the color that I want, I'll just add more powder, which is the tie-dye coloring. And here I'm just fixing up all the other colors that I'm using. And of course I save the other powder that I don't use so that I can use it for next time. So just try out your color in a napkin so you can see the color that it's coming out to. And you're going to want to use Ziploc bags for each different shirt that you're working with so that the colors obviously don't mesh. And then you're gonna let each shirt sit for 6 to 7 hours. So this one I'll be working with yellow and purple, and again this is the crinkled style. And here I'm also doing a crinkled shirt, and this is going to be just a one color shirt, which is going to be the pink. For the crinkle shirt, you can pretty much put as many rubber bands as you want since it's a crinkled look, just so it holds it really well. And then for when you see me doing the spiral, you definitely just want to work with 4 rubber bands because you'll see why. But for the crinkled, as I'm doing now, you can use as many rubber bands as you want to hold the shirt in place. Now for the spiral, you're going to want to start by obviously putting the whole shirt out, and then you pinch it in the middle and you start just twirling it around, which is the spiral technique, until the entire shirt is like basically twirled around as you see here. And then you start working with your rubber bands and you're basically doing like a crisscross, making it into like a pizza cut style, I guess you want to say. So doing the whole like rubber band technique here is helping you, especially if you want to do like a multicolor spiral look, which I do yellow, pink, and blue. And you basically just put a color in each little pie size, I guess you would say. And you're gonna basically just repeat the same steps on the other side of the t-shirt. And that one is all done. I'm gonna put it in the Ziploc bag now, and you're gonna let them sit, like I said, for 6 to 7 hours. And now you're gonna basically rinse the color out. So you're gonna rinse until the color, you're gonna rinse until the water pretty much comes out like clear. So I'm just doing that to all the t-shirts, wringing them out until the water pretty much is clear. That's what they look like. They're still damp, they're still wet there. And then you're gonna throw them in the washer separately so that they don't mesh with the colors. Put a little bit of detergent so it smells good. And then you're just gonna put each one, like I said, in a quick cycle. And this is what they look like, you guys. I love them. I had so much fun doing them. I really like the way they came out. Hope you guys enjoyed. Gave you a little inspiration to do your own DIY tie-dye shirts. And that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.